Yes, students. Now next, molecules of compound. Molecules can be divided into two parts. Molecules of element, molecules of compound. Just now we discussed about molecules of element. Now next, molecules of compound. Again we can divide it into diatomic molecules, not monoatomic. Why? Because this is molecules of compound. And what is compound? Compound is pure substance made up of two or more elements. At least two elements should be there in a compound and which are combined together in fixed proportion by mass. So, in molecules of compound, monoatomic molecule do not exist. Mono means molecule which contains one atom. But for a compound, how many atoms required? At least two. Two or more atoms. Two or more elements. Two or more elements required. So, molecules of compound start from diatomic molecules. Okay. Example, di means again two atoms, molecules containing two atoms of same element or different element, because here we are talking about molecules of compound. And compound means pure substance made up of two or more elements. Two or more elements. So that will not be same element, different element. Okay. So diatomic molecule, di means two, atom means atomic means atoms. So molecules with two atoms of two different elements, which combine together in fixed proportion by mass and can exist freely. So can you tell me an example of diatomic molecule under molecules of compound? A molecule with two atoms of different element. Example, carbon monoxide. Mono means one, oxide means oxygen. So what is formula? CO, capital C, capital O. One atom of carbon, one atom of oxygen in this molecule, and this carbon monoxide is gas and it can exist freely. And carbon monoxide, it is made up of two elements, two different elements which is combined together in fixed proportion by mass. So this carbon monoxide is what? Compound, and it can exist freely. So it is molecule. And what type of molecule? As it contains two atoms of different element. Two atoms this molecule contains. So it is diatomic molecule under molecules of compound. Okay. Next, triatomic molecules. Tri means three atoms, molecules with three atoms. Molecules with three atoms of different elements. Molecules with three atoms of different elements. Two or more different elements combined together in fixed proportion by mass and can exist freely. That will be triatomic molecule under molecules of compound. So molecule with three atoms of different element. Can you give me an example? And it is not necessary that all the three atoms should be of different element. Two or more different elements. Two or more different elements. So, but molecule should be of three atoms. Example, water. What is formula? H2O. Two atoms of hydrogen, one atom of oxygen. And it contains two different elements combined together in fixed proportion by mass. So this is compound. This is compound, and water can exist freely. So this is molecule, and so it comes and this molecule contains three atoms, 2 plus 1, 3. So it is triatomic molecule under molecules of compound. Okay. Next, tetraatomic molecule. Tetra means 4. Molecules with 4 atoms of two different elements, two or more different elements combined together in fixed proportion by mass and can exist freely. Example, NH3, ammonia. Ammonia is gas. NH3. How many atoms total? 3 atoms of hydrogen, 1 atom of nitrogen. So 3 plus 1, 4 atoms. Okay, so tetraatomic, okay. And ammonia is gas, so it can exist freely. So molecule, okay. Next, it comes under molecule of compound. Why? Because compound is pure substance made up of 2 or more elements. So this is made up of 2 elements combined together in fixed proportion by mass. So it is compound. So all the terms come under this. So this is under molecules of compound. Which molecule? Tetraatomic molecule. Okay. Next, polyatomic molecule. Under molecules of compound. Poly means more than 4 atoms. More than 4 atoms of different elements, because it is compound, molecule of compound, and which can exist freely. Example, methane. What is formula? CH4. So, is this molecule of compound? Yes, because it is made up of 2 different elements, carbon and hydrogen, which is combined together in fixed proportion by mass, and methane is gas. It can exist freely, so it is molecule. And then 4 plus 1, how many atoms? 5. This is more than 4 atoms, so it is polyatomic molecule under molecules of compound. Okay, so students, today we discussed about atoms and molecules in detail, and we completed the molecule part. That molecule, it is divided into 2 parts, molecules of element and molecules of compound, and further it is divided into molecule of element divided into monoatomic, diatomic, triatomic, tetraatomic or polyatomic. Then molecules of compound starts from diatomic, then triatomic, tetraatomic and polyatomic molecule. Okay. Now students, in the next class we'll discuss about symbol. Okay.